Hi everyone and welcome back to the Tunisian crochet along. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet the contrasting stripe. This will be like a divider for our blocks. Now let's tilt our work and then we can start picking up stitches. So first we've got to pick up all the stitches along this brad selvage and we need a base. So we've got already a stitch on our hook, but I would like to stitch through the first stitch. Now yarn over and pull up a loop and then leave it like this. And then we're going through every stitch along this brad selvage and we're going to stitch under both loops of this stitch and we're going to pull up a loop. So every row from the previous block will be a new stitch. Make sure to have a loose tension for the Tunisian crochet. Continue this way across the row. I'm using this corner to pick up a new stitch. And then you'll see all the new stitches we picked up. So that's your base for the new row. Now we're going to crochet backwards and for this yarn over and pull the yarn through one loop at the beginning, one loop only. And then yarn over again and pull through two. Always through two. Yarn over and through two. So that's our base. And now we're going to crochet purl stitches and I'm going to show you how to do that. We're going to crochet 3 rows of the purl stitch, but you can decide on your own how many rows you'd like to crochet. But the important thing is that you will crochet always the same amount of rows during the project. For the purl stitch, bring the yarn to the front. So I like to wrap this around the hook, but you can bring the yarn to the front. And then we're going under the vertical bar, just under the bar. And then you wrap the yarn around the hook. One more time. Wrap around, and then you pull it through the stitch and up and leave it like this. One more time. Bring the yarn to the front, go under the vertical bar, wrap the yarn around and pull up a loop. Continue this way across the row. For the last stitch, we're going under both loops at the end of the row. And then wrap the yarn around and pull up a loop. Then crochet backwards, and for this yarn over and pull the yarn only through one loop. Then yarn over and pull all the way through two. Yarn over and through two, and so on until the end of the row. And that's row 1. So you see these are the purls, the purl stitches that are coming out. And yeah, so actually this is what we're going to do now for additional 2 rows. So we need 3 rows at all. So we're bringing the yarn to the front and we're going under the vertical bar under the next one, and then you wrap the yarn around and pull up a loop. And yeah, and crocheting backwards will be always the same, so that's what we're gonna to do now until we've got 3 rows of purl stitches. And this is how my work looks like so far. So these are the 3 purl stitches rows, and I've got 2 stitches left. So I want to crochet the last 2 stitches with the gradient yarn. So with the next part after the bead, so you've got to use the yarn after the bead, and then I want to crochet to finish this stitch with the new yarn. And for this I'm just grabbing the gradient yarn and finish the last stitch with this yarn. And on the back side we're going to tie a simple knot. So this is how we're going to crochet all the contrasting stripes in the future. So we're going to continue with the new gradient yarn for block 2. This will be the next video. So at this point, you're very welcome to join us as the YouTube channel member. You're very welcome to support us and to vote for the next block stitch patterns. Yeah, so and until next time, happy crochet, have a lot of fun, have a great week, and see you next time. Bye bye.